Generally, it seems that life is all about the money because we definitely need money to feed and survive. But the question we often ask each other is, how do we make legit money, besides your basic day-to-day salary or wages? Making money, I'd say, is relatively easy if only we knew the right channels and necessary measures to take. The advent of technology created the right channels for us to earn a sizable income directly from our mobile phones. And in this video, we'll be discussing some of these channels in which we can earn money with our phones. So, kindly stick to the end of the video, as you will gain valuable knowledge, which will help you break through some financial restraints by making money online. So, straight to the business of the day. What are some of the applications we can use to earn money from our mobile phones? Sweatcoin. Do you know that you can earn money from walking around? We all walk around every day, but only a few of us know we can monetize our sweat into coins on the Sweatcoin app. Sweatcoin is a mobile application available on Android and iOS which rewards your daily steps with a new generation digital currency known as a Sweatcoin. This application pays you 1 Sweatcoin per 1,000 verified steps, and 1 Sweatcoin is equivalent to $0.007. This money you earn can be used to purchase products on the Sweatcoin application, get discounts on retail products and clothes, purchase various kinds of gift cards, and acquire a few products from recognizable brands such as Amazon, Adidas, Apple, and Netflix. Swagbucks. This is a web application which pays its users for airing their opinion, either via survey, watching videos, or completing other simple tasks such as playing games, shopping online, scanning receipts, and referring friends. Unlike Sweatcoin, Swagbucks pays you points which can be redeemed for gift cards, or real money that can be instantly deposited into your PayPal account, and then transferred into your linked bank account. So with Swagbucks you are earning real cash which you can use for whatever purpose you so desire, and not just restricted to purchasing products on the same platform. So while we have examined 2 platforms that can fetch us real money with minimal stress, doing what we normally do on a daily, let's look at a platform that pays you for offering real services. And that is Upwork. Most of us watching this video has a skill worth fetching us a sizable amount of income if only we knew where to monetize them. That is where Upwork comes in. Upwork is an online platform which connects freelancers with businesses, independent professionals, and agencies seeking various services, including but not limited to writing services, programming, marketing, graphic design, web development, and a host of other services. In essence, Upwork works by connecting you, possessing sought-after skills and services, with individuals and businesses ready to hire you for a short amount of time, designated by you. You just need to create an account, set up your profile showcasing your skills, experience, portfolio, and services you offer. And clients who may need your service will post their project with descriptions, requirements, budget, and deadlines so as to help you understand the scope of the work, and you decide whether you're interested in the work by sending a proposal indicating why you're fit for the job. Once the client accepts your proposal, you can start working and earning some cool dollars for rendering your service on Upwork. Another platform wherein we can earn from offering our services is Uber. Uber is a ride-sharing application which connects drivers to people seeking lifts or taxis. Thus, by using this mobile application, you can easily earn money by driving people to their destinations. Instead of the traditional way of looking for passengers to board your cab, with Uber all you need to do is register as a driver and the application will ceaselessly connect you with passengers looking for a ride. Thus, without even coming down from your car or stressing to convince anyone to enter your car, you will keep getting passengers and earning good money from carrying these passengers to their destination. Similar to Upwork and Uber, TaskRabbit is another application that connects you with potential clients and helps you make money from delivering services to these clients. TaskRabbit is an application that connects clients with taskers who have the skills needed to perform certain tasks and offer services such as cleaning, running errand, house help, plumbing, assembling furniture, videography, accounting, writing, marketing, event planning, amongst others. By using this application, you will easily connect with clients requiring your services and make good money in the process. The good thing about this application is that the money you make is totally yours, as opposed to Upwork and Uber, wherein you pay a specified percentage of your earnings to the app. TaskRabbit does not take any portion of your earnings from completing tasks. Equally, you will enjoy freedom to set your price rate for each service you offer. By using this application, you will easily connect with clients requiring your services and make good money in the process. Finally, if you are a house owner, one mobile application you must have is Airbnb. Airbnb is an online platform which connects people who have houses for rent with travelers who are looking for a place to stay. For instance, if you have houses that you're willing to rent, this application may come in handy. It works by firstly creating a listing of your properties for rent on Airbnb and providing specific details about the space of the property, amenities, location, house rules, and prices. Then travelers searching for an accommodation will send you a booking request if they are interested in your listing. And then you have the option to either accept, decline, or suggest changes to the booking request. Then the traveler proceeds to make payment through the Airbnb secure payment system. Airbnb then holds the pay until the guest checks in, so as to ensure a secure transaction, and after the guest checks out, Airbnb releases the funds to you. These are just some of the mobile application platforms which you should know about and capitalize on to make some extra cash. In subsequent videos, we shall shed light on a host of other money-making applications which you should know about. So, kindly subscribe and stay glued to our channel so that you don't miss out.